Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today, we are diving into PEDVCO Corp's latest Form 8K filing, and it seems they're pretty excited about some new wells. Will this be a gusher of good news or just a trickle of hype? Let's find out. This Form 8K is essentially a snapshot of important events that PEDVCO, an oil and gas company, wants to share with its investors. It's like a corporate news bulletin, and today's headline is all about their drilling progress. The key date to remember is March 11, 2025. That's when the events discussed in this report happened, which is important for context. It is basically a timestamp to figure out when what is being discussed took place. Let's jump to the meat of the matter, which starts with item 7.01 regarding fair disclosure. Basically, the company is making sure everyone gets the same information at the same time. In this case, it involves an operational update, meaning how the company is doing with their projects. The big news here is the completion of drilling of 4 gross, or total, new horizontal San Andres wells. They drilled these wells in their core Chevru field, which is located in the Permian Basin. The Permian Basin is a very important oil-producing area, so this is a significant location. It's like finding oil in your backyard if your backyard was already known to be a major oil reserve. They are furnishing their press release to showcase this achievement. Now, before we get too carried away, it is important to remember the safe harbor warning. Basically, they're saying, hey, we're making predictions about the future, but things could change. The company included some important details for investors to keep in mind about these type of announcements. Any statements regarding the company's beliefs or future financial performance or trends are all subjected to uncertainties. In simple terms, don't take their words for granted, and consider that some external, unknown elements can easily affect the company's results in the future and make the statements unreliable. The company also reminds us where we can find more information about the company's financials in general. Item 9.01 tells us what documents are attached to this report. In this case, it's an exhibit containing the press release and inline XBRL, which is a way of formatting financial data for easier analysis. Finally, we get to the exhibits. It's basically a list of what's attached to the Form 8K. As you can see, the press release dated March 11, 2025 is the central focus of this report. Now that we have gone through the report, here are my thoughts. PEDVCO seems to be focusing on expanding its operations in the Permian Basin. Completing 4 new wells is a positive step, but the oil and gas industry is always risky. Factors like oil prices, operating costs, and environmental regulations can all impact their bottom line. The company's forward-looking statements come with the usual caveats, which is understandable given the unpredictable nature of the energy market. However, PEDVCO's success will depend on how efficiently they can extract oil from these new wells and how effectively they manage their costs. Overall, this report paints a cautiously optimistic picture. The new wells represent a potential growth opportunity, but investors should keep a close eye on the company's financial performance and industry trends. Thanks for watching. If you found this decoder ring helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the corporate world. Until next time.